Installing N8N on Mac. In today's video, you are going to learn how to install N8N on Mac. So let's get started. First, you need a package manager like Homebrew. This makes it easier to install tools like Node.js, which is required for running N8N. Once you have Node.js and npm installed, you can now move on installing N8N itself. Once installed, you can download N8N right from your terminal. It will open up a local server that you can access in your browser, usually through a link like Localhost. You will see it just like this box right here. From there, you will see the N8N dashboard and can start building your own first workflow. You might want to keep N8N running in the background while you work, and for that you can use tools that allows background processes so N8N does not shut down when you close the terminal, because take note, once you close the terminal, N8N will stop working. It is also a good idea to save your workflows in a dedicated folder to keep everything organized. Installing N8N on Mac is great if you're just getting started and want to test things out locally without paying for a server. It's fast, easy, and gives you full access to all of its features. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.